currently have an empty database, but I want to import a previous backup that I have. I'm going to go to Settings, Import Backup. This is telling me to create a folder on my desktop named Export. This message is letting me know that a file it's expecting doesn't exist. I'll just skip it. Importing label records. So this might take some time depending on how many records you're importing. Right now I'm just going to cancel this. I'm going to skip this as well. And my import is done. Sometimes you may need to refresh the home page by visiting a layout and coming back to get all of the information generated here for you.